Khublei shibun February season part ke jingpyntip nam ta khubor LAITKAM HIKAI ti don kumba nrutli kam HIKAI kiba yang ni peit benta kene kong application for assistant teacher at Shishu Mandir LP school sngi Shillong 4 under deficit pay scale qualification de class 12 with 50% for general 45% for ST/SC with DLED or BE or diploma in special education should possess LPM-TET age as per government norms. Interested candidates should submit their application to the secretary along with examination fee 150 Shis Pasan Ponika during school hours on or before 29 July 2024. Kelas date kadai arknai trik Julai arjarap sau teh nai klaim ai kontak number kemud ba pihak bandai submit be hapo kene ke school Shishu Mandir LP school sngi koran po sngi teh ki bakwa ban apply select ke donkam nek ba application invited for deficit LP post at RCLP school Pommura. Eligibility they belong with class 12 pass kini di jubet san percent general 45% STSC above with 2 years DLED lane 4 years BE lane 2 years diploma in education special education with MTET lower primary age limit katu saupon tagi SC ST life pranam tagi OBC excluding 18 months diploma in elementary education from NIOS technical dimension ba kinam syare kini prabanai jonggi ba DLED ng baka NIOS. Last date to submit application is on 25 July 2024 at 2 p.m. Contact number 6900397021. Teki bakwa ban apply te kwa kali bini bahat sap phone hi number dabai une ndruk nai not like kandai new not arway ka last date kandai arsan July. Second away, application invited in standard form for the post of food teacher at Umraleng Upper Primary School. Qualification dimlong degree in stream with BEd, lane DLED with MTET pass for UP section kane kade jong UP section. Preferably from Riboy district ki khamshim mi ke balina po Riboy district. Age as per government salary as per ad hoc grant for food teacher. Class date kande 10 August arjarap sau. Date of interview will be intimate later. Secretary SMC contact 9366125098. Teram tagi ngite bakamnya pila ban kontak uni nomor bladai. Sakane barkawai donkam no hikai way Laitnamlang LP school deficit post Eastern West Khasil district kiba apply kin pandap hakastan form mat kiba day ban long kiba pandap ya kini harum. Qualification minimum kiba pandap ya ka HSSLC with 45% in 10 plus 2 as per NCTE norms. Kibala pendep ya ka MTET, CTET LP, and DLED. Karta katkum ka rule sarkar, katarik bakadu kan ban pediang yagi application kan day artarik August arjarap sau. Ya katarik interview on sapentip ya tentu bikin sapentip. Candidate with 18 months DLED diploma course holder under NIOS are not eligible to ada mention bagi nom eligible rai ki prabanai kiba pendep leng bakan iOS kiba apply kin tho shai you phone number balik WhatsApp Laitnamlang LP school contact number ladap ai pranyo prawe nyonyo lai secretary MC Laitnamlang LP school contact number pranyo saunyo dai pra wilai lai artali ki number phone wejong secretary wejong president te namta jingpyntip bakamnya pila ban shu kontak ki number bila dapai sakane go one assistant teacher at Lawshlem lower primary school Lawshlem Mauplang block ka minimum qualification adalah class 12 with 50% for general 45% namta ki STSC candidate should possess 2 year DLED lane 4 years BE lane 2 years diploma in education special education. Candidate should possess lower primary MTET certificate upper age limit ladap tip hi beri saupon tagi Kasil tribe life prime tagi OBC salary kade under deficit system. Interest candidate may submit their application in standard form along with relevant documents to the secretary of the managing committee on or before 3rd August 2024 ka last date kane kade lai 3 August Terhadap air i kontak nomor artali filawan kontak ini nomor pranyo nyo lain riu sau nonot berbar pranyo ar kenai riu nyo kendai sau. Tegi bakwa ban apply kila ban kontak nam tagi jingtip bakamnya. Baron eka qualification bakwa ban apply sele eka baron kam. Tangi ne jingtip Khublei shibun.